Today is Tuesday, March 31st. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVILLE, or two-door DeVILLE convertible, body side door molding. It's just under 53 inches long. This is a used unit in very nice condition. I'll line it up here with the ruler, and we'll go take a look at the other side, and it measures just under 53 inches. So this is a very nice condition used unit. This is not new. I've laid it side by side to two brand new NOS moldings that I have in the original GM packaging emblem, and for comparison purposes. So these units are new NOS units, and this is the unit that has been sold to my friend Salvador in Colorado. This is a very nice condition used unit. It's been cleaned and polished, and once mounted it'll be very nicely presentable for any driver quality car. Although it is not a show quality molding, it is very, very nice. So this is a final review video for my friend Salvador, and as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation, this unit will be shipping out to my friend Salvador in Colorado. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac. I have over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, including the 1969 rim blow steering wheel and the 1970 double trigon steering wheel. And today is Tuesday, March 31st. Thank you very kindly.